Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up international shipping rates on Shopify. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your Shopify store and log in into your account, then go to this dashboard right here. After that, go down to the bottom left corner, click on settings. Then now you will have to first set your market in order to set a shipping rate for it. So I'm going to go to markets. Then here, I'm going to click on add market, and this will depend on your region. So here in my case, I will try to name a specific market and I will name it global, for example. Then here, I will add some countries. I will add all the countries of Africa, for example. Then I'm gonna scroll down and add all the countries of Oceania and South America. This is just for the demonstration. Then click on add market, and after that the market will be displayed in this page right here, but it will show me this option, the shipping partially configured. Just tap on it. Then once you tap on it, here you should click on go to shipping. Once you click on it, now you'll have to create a new profile, a custom shipping profile. And now what you should do is to simply create a new shipping profile. I'm gonna name it global shipping, for example. Then what you should do is to simply add the products. I'm gonna select all displayed items, then click on done. And now what you should do is to simply add the location. So I'm gonna click on add shipping zone. And now what you should do right now is simply select the countries that you have chosen in your previous market. So I can remember that I chose the Africa and I chose Oceania and South America. And you need also to name it. Just give it a name right here. I'll name it global shipping, for example. Then click on done. And here you are, you have it. Now what you should do right now is simply click on add rate. Then here you should customize it as you need. Now you can enter the custom rate shipping, let's say a fee, for example, then the custom delivery tracking time number. And here you should add the price. Let's say that I want to make it for free, so I'm gonna set this to 0. But if you need a specific price, you can set any price that you need, or you can simply click on add conditional pricing. And now if you want to set the shipping based on order price, you can simply click on this one, or based on the item weight. Let's say that I will make it minimum 200 grams, for example, then make the limit no limit, then click on done. And after that, click on save. And now we should go to markets again, then make sure that you have this market, the global market, active, and that's it. Now we have it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.